Hello, the beeps, and welcome to another power-packed Phillips podcast. Just a reminder, don't forget, your 10-question packet is due on Monday. You do not have any homework from the workbook. You may take your packet home and finish it if you are not finished yet. Please show your work for all the problems. TY. Alright, gonna get really annoying if I keep talking in accent, so here we go. Please take out a piece of graph paper. You're going to staple the graph paper to your notes/homework spiral when you're done, just like we've been doing. Draw a coordinate grid to the right 10, up 10, left to -10, and down to -10. Enjoy the music. And if you want to keep hearing the music, go watch Jeopardy. Please write in your spiral, notes/homework spiral, lesson 4.3, graphing using intercepts. Graphing using intercepts. Please copy into your spiral, make a table, and graph 2x plus y equals 6. Make a table and graph 2x plus y equals 6. Please write the equation 2x plus y equals 6. Remember that y is a tornado, so we want to move 2x to the other side. Remember that 2x is a spy. He's a spy for the positives. So the inverse operation is to subtract 2x. Whatever you do to one side, you do to the other. These are going to cancel. Bring down your variable y. Remember, guys, you cannot combine these. They are not like terms. One's a star, the other is a heart. They do not both have the variable x. Or you can think of it this way. One is a person who's allergic to dogs. The other one is a person who has a dog. You do not want to combine these. Bad things are going to happen. So now we have the equation y equals 6 minus 2x. What am I going to do? I am going to make a table. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a table. Graph the ordered pairs. Pick any numbers you want. I'm going to pick 0, 1, and 2 for my domain. Nice. Bears. I'm going to substitute, plug and chug, put in 0 for x. 2 times 0 gives me 0. I have 6 minus 0, which is 6. Take your 6, put it underneath the y. This will give us our first ordered pair. Now I'm going to substitute, plug and chug, 1 for x. Take out the x, put in a 1. 2 times 1 gives me 2. 6 minus 2 gives me 4. Or you could say -2 times 1 is -2. A positive 6 and a -2 is positive 4. Take your 4, put it in your chart. I see that my pattern over here underneath the range, bears, is going down by 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 minus 2 is going to give me 2. Now I will graph the ordered pairs. You can graph it on your graph paper. Here we go. 0, I freeze. 6, I go up. Put a dot at 0, 6. Next ordered pair, go right 1, up 4. Right 1, up 4, put it up. Next ordered pair, go right 2, then up 2. Right 2 and up 2. Draw yourself a line, put arrows on both ends. This is a linear equation. Now, let's talk about a couple things. Let's talk about the x and y intercepts. X and y intercepts. Those of you who have been sipping the haterade, you can stop sipping the haterade. But if you keep sipping the haterade, I will remind you, 4-1, first place by ourselves in NFC North. Da Bears. Let's say Jay Cutler is going to throw a pass to Brandon Marshall. Sometimes when Jay Cutler throws a pass, it is intercepted. In this case, it is intercepted by the X right here at 3. So you can think of it as X is wearing the jersey that has the number 3 on it. He intercepts the ball. That would be the, excuse me, X intercept. Where does the line touch the x-axis? The line touches the x-axis right here at 3. So our x-intercept is 3. That's why I have a jersey with 3. Let's say later on in the game, Cutler goes to throw the pass to Brandon Marshall. The pass is intercepted right here by Y, who's wearing the number 6. If you look right here at the graph, your Y right here at 6 touches the line. So we call this a y-intercept. A y-intercept. Think of the problem as this. You can mow your yard with either a regular lawnmower or you can mow your yard with a riding lawnmower. In either case, the job gets done. Well, rewriting the equation, making a table, graphing it, is like mowing your yard with a regular lawnmower. Do I have any problem with this? Absolutely not. But I am going to show you a different way. So here's our different way today, which is a little faster. It's kind of like using the riding lawnmower. So we said the x-intercept is where the line crosses the x-axis. In this case, the football's thrown. It is intercepted by x right here at 3. That would be our x-intercept. The y-intercept is where the line touches the y-axis. The football would be thrown. It would be intercepted right here by y at 6. Our y-intercept would be 6. So let's do the same problem, but let's do it a different way. This is called graphing using intercepts. It is quicker than making that long table. So here we go. Same problem, different way. Make yourself a note. We're going to let x equal 0. So we're going to substitute 0 for x and solve. So same equation, 2x plus y equals 6. Since I'm using intercepts, I will not rewrite the equation and pretend that y is a tornado. I will simply put in 0 for x. Take out x, put in 0. That gives me 2 times 0 plus y equals 6. 2 times 0 is 0. If I subtract 0 on both sides, combining like terms, these will cancel. I'm left with y equals 6. So make an ordered pair. 6 is y. I used 0 for x, so x is going to be 0. So that's my first ordered pair. I put in 0 for x. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put 0 in for y. Put 0 in for y. Again, since I'm graphing using intercepts, I will not rewrite the equation and pretend that y is a tornado. I will simply put in 0 for y. So I have 2x plus 0 equals 6. Subtract 0 from both sides, combine like terms. 2x equals 6. Divide both sides of my equation by 2. X equals 3. Put in 3 for x. Put in 0, and that is very, very sloppy, I apologize. Put in 0 for y. Now I have an ordered pair, 3, 0, and I have an ordered pair, 0, 6. I will graph the ordered pairs, 0, 6, and 3, 0. Freeze, go up 6. Go right 3, freeze. I will connect my 2 dots with a line. Strangely enough, this graph is the exact same graph that we did over here. They are the same. Notice I have the same intercepts. Here, my y-intercept is 6. My x-intercept, 1, 2, is 3. Notice back here my ordered pairs, x is 3, 3, y is 6, y-intercept is 6. So again, just a different way. This would be like riding the riding mower to mow the yard. Just a different way to graph the equation. Do you have to do it this way? Absolutely not. You can do it the other way. I have no problem with that. You can do it either this way, make y the tornado, make a table, graph it, or put in 0 for x, put in 0 for y, graph it. You do whichever way is easiest for you. I'm just showing you a different way. See ya.